Wake up and smile, cause it's been a while.
What's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we'll be having a little mini episode of In the Making. Today we'll be tie-dyeing some socks, okay? I've done multiple tie-dye videos on this channel, but I don't think I've ever shown you guys how to specifically do socks. So I have these white socks that I literally just got from Walmart, I believe. Yeah, when I was in cosmetology school, we had to wear white socks, and now that I am out of that school, these socks need some color because one of my favorite accessories are socks. I like for my socks to be as vibrant as I am, so today I'll be doing 3 pairs of socks. I have this really nice tie-dye kit right here. I got this from Walmart. You'll need this, some gloves, a grocery bag, tie-dye them and let them sit overnight. So the first step is to wet your socks. So we're just going to get them a little bit damp, and then I'm going to set everything up and I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm working with. Alright you guys, so right here is one of my already soaked wet socks. I'm going to do them one at a time. I mean, I guess you can do 2 at a time and put them together, but I like to make sure that each of my socks have a unique, nice, different pattern. So I have my colors organized in different families. So I have a blue family, you can't see it. I have a green family and I have a pink type of family. So I have 3 pairs of white socks. All of them are wet. So step number 1, I like to do things in order. So first I am just going to scrunch up and rubber band all of the socks. These are the rubber bands that came in the kit. So that's what we're about to do. I basically just scrunch it together and twist at the same time. Like that. I do have a pair of rainbow socks too that I've done back in the past, but these I want just to be basically one color. Okay, so this is my first little sock flower. So I'm going to do that to all of them and just fast forward through this part, but I'm going to do that to all the socks and we're going to put our pairs to the side. Okay, this is my last sock. Okay, so now I have all of my sock pairs and we're just going to start squirting them. Alright you guys, so now that all of the socks are done, I am going to put them each in their separate individual grocery bags, and they will sit overnight, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to rinse them out. Alright you guys, so now is the fun part. We're gonna be rinsing out everything, and I actually was pretty inventive and I used the gloves that were in the kit to keep the socks. So we're just gonna take these out and rinse. And of course I'm keeping these rubber bands. Ah, look at that! I'm shook. I'm probably do one at a time. And don't forget, you want them to run clear, so you're just going to keep rinsing it until the water is clear and you don't see any more blue. So let's see what this one is working with. Oh, look at that! I'm loving it. See all that blue? This one is like beautiful. You see how it's turning clear now? That's what we want. So now it's time for the green. Ooh, this one I use lime green on. Alright y'all, so finally, for the moment you all have been waiting for, let me show you guys the socks. I am in love with them. Look at these socks. They came out so nice. They each have a different unique look, but I love that they're all in the same color family. It came out so great. They were so easy to rinse out, and then I just washed them by themselves in cold water. Whenever I tie-dye, I like to wash it in cold water, no soap. Either I'll wash them by themselves or I'll put it in the washer with darker items like things that are black or jean, because most of the time you want to rinse them first until it's clear, but if they do happen to have a little bit of dye left in them, it won't really affect your darker clothes. So I am in love with these socks. It was such a quick and easy DIY, and it took little to no dye, so now I have tie-dye left over, but that is totally okay with me. I love this so much. So I hope you all give this DIY a try. This was definitely a success. I didn't struggle with this at all. So you guys should all have some colorful socks out there, whether they're Nike, whether they're plain. I literally got these socks from Walmart for like $5 for a pack of 5. So you guys should be doing this during quarantine. It was so fun. Make sure you guys holler at me in the comments, and I'll always holler back. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the end for some on foot action so you can see how these bad boys look in some shoes. So let's get to that.